السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أيها الطلاب الأعزاء، كيف أخباركم؟ هل أنتم في الخير؟ نعم الحمد لله. هل أنتم مستعدون للدراسة؟ نعم ما شاء الله. في الدرس الماضي ندرس ونفهم المسرحية. In last class we can discuss about a drama that include the smoking is injurious to health. Today we can learn a poem. اليوم نفهم ونقرأ المنظومة. Listen here. Take your textbook, page number 36. نقرأ المنظوم. كن جميلا يا فتى، كن جميلا يا فتى، لما الحزن والأسى، لما الهم يا فتى، لا تغلق النافذة وتغتزل الجميع، هيا استنشق الهواء، هيا استقبل الربيع، كن جميلا يا فتى، ترى الكون جميلا، تفاءل هيا ابتسم، والحياة مليئة بالجمال والنعم والأماني المضيئة، تزيع عنا الألم والعتمة والظلم، تفتح باب الضياء وتفرح نعم نعم، كن جميلا يا فتى، ترى الكون جميلا. الشاعر ابن عجير. This poem كتب هذا المنظوم الشاعر ابن عجير. كن جميلا يا فتى. كن جميلا. Be smart, be beautiful. يا فتى. فتى youth. Oh youth, be beautiful. لما الحزن والأسى، لما الهم يا فتى، لما الحزن والأسى، لما الهم يا فتى. Oh youth, يا فتى, oh youth, why are you grief, why are you sorrow and hardship. الحزن معناه sorrow والأسى الهم، أسى معناه hardship والهم معناه pain. Why are you painful, why are you sorrow, O youths. لا تغلق النافذة، النافذة معناه window. لا تغلق, don't close النافذة, the windows. وتعتزل الجميع, all of, away from everyone. تعتزل الجميع, away from everyone. هيا استنشق الهواء, هيا come on, استنشق, you trust, let us trust الهواء air. هواء معناه air. هيا استقبل الربيع, هيا welcomes, come on, استقبل الربيع. الربيع معناه spring. استقبل welcomes. هيا استقبل الربيع welcomes the spring. كن جميلا يا فتى, be handsome. Oh youths, be handsome, be beautiful. جميل معناه beautiful and handsome. ترى الكون جميلا. ترى, you can see الكون, كون معناه universe. جميلا, it is a beautiful. Then you can see the universe, it is beautiful. ترى الكون جميلا, then you can see the universe is beautiful. Tafa'al hayya ibtasim. Tafa'al. Come on, be confident. Hayya ibtisam. Ibtasama, smile. Hayya ibtasim, be smile and be confident. Wal hayatu mali'a. Hayatu manahu life. Wal haya'u mali'a. Life is fulfilled. Bil jamali vanyam, with the beautiful and beauty and blessings. Niyam manahu blessings. Wal amaniyil muliya, with good hope. Life is fulfilled with beauty, blessings and good hope. Amaniyil muliya, good hope. Tuzihu annal alam. Tuzihu, it removes annal alam. Alam manahu pain. It removes our pain. Wal atamatu wallulam. Atamatu wallulam. Lulam means darkness. Wal atamatu gloom. Taftahu babal liya. Open the door of light. Taftahu, open. Bab, door. Al-liya, light. Open the doors of light. Fatafrahu naam. Naam. Yes. Yes. Then you can happy. Tafrah, you can happy. Naam. Naam. Yes, you can happy. Kun jamilan ya fata. Youth. Youth, be handsome or be confident, be beautiful. Taral kauna jamian. Jamilan. Then you can see the universe is beautiful. Kauna manahu universe. Here the poet Ibn Ujair said about the universe or about the youths. Naqra'u wa nujibu. We can read and listen. Yaqulu shair. The poet said, Ibn Ujair. The poet Ibn Ujair said, Ya fata, a youth, kun jamilan wa kareeman fil hayati. Kun jamilan, be handsome, wa kareeman, and be gentle fil hayat, in life. Be handsome and gentle in life. Fatara, you can see, ad-dunya jamilatun ra'iyatun. Ad-dunya jamilatun ra'iyatun. Then you will see the universe is beautiful. Universe as beautiful. Wala takun hazinan wa kasulan fil hayati. Wala takun hazinan wa kasulan fil hayati. Don't be sad and lazy in life. Kasul manahu lazy. Khaliqin nasi bi khulqin hasanin. Khaliqin nasi, Allah, bi khulqin hasanin. He treated the people well. Kun basiman. Kun basiman, be smile. Masruran tiwal al-hayat. Masruran tiwal al-hayat. Hayat manahu life. Be smile and rejoice the throughout of life. Li'anna al-hayat, because the life mamlu'atun bi ni'amillah. Because the life is the fulfill of God's blessing and optimism. Wal amaniyil hulwa, and the good hope. Wahiya tudhibu annal ahzan wal-ulamu fi hayatina. Wahiya, that the blessing and good hopes are the annal ahzan wal-ulamu fi hayatina. It removes our sad and darkness in our life. The good hope removes, or blessings of God's removes our sad and darkness in our life. Iftah ya fata, O youth, iftah, please open abwab an-nur, wal khairi. Abwab an-nuri wal khairi. Open the doors of light and goodness. فَتَلْقَى الْحَيَاةَ سَعِيدَةً وَمَسْرُورًا. فَتَلْقَى الْحَيَاةَ سَعِيدَةً وَمَسْرُورَةً. Then you can meet, meet your life with happy. Sa'idatam wa masrura, it is same meaning, it is with happily. You can meet your life with happily. Here some words, listen here. I will write some words, then you can write in your notebook. Huzn, huzn manahu sorrow. Huznun, sorrow. Huzn. Sorrow manahu huzn. Huznun manahu sorrow. Then ibtasam. Ibtasama. Ibtasama. Smile. Ibtasama, smile. Tolik. Close. Al-Kaun. Kaun. Kaun manahu universe. Kaunun, universe. Kaunun, universe. Then the poet name was Ibn Ujair. Ashair Ibn Ujair. We can read the questions. Listen. Mata yalqal fata hayatahu sa'ida. Mata yalqal fata hayatahu sa'ida. Mata yalqa meet. Al fata youth, hayatahu his life, sa'ida happily. Mata yalqal fata hayatahu sa'ida. Yes, hayatahu sa'ida idha fatahal fata abwab al khairi wan nuri. Abwab al khairi wan nuri. Iftah ya fata abwab an nuri wal khairi fatalqa hayata sa'idatan wa masrura. Idha fataha al fata abwab al khairi wan nuri. Bima tamtali'ul hayat. Bima tamtali'ul hayat. Bini'amillah. Tamtali'ul hayat bini'amillahi wal amaniyil huluwa. Bini'amillahi li'anna al hayata mamlu'atun bini'amillahi wal amaniyil huluwa. كيف يعامل الفتى الناس؟ كيف يعامل الفتى؟ يعامل الفتى الناس بخلق حسن. Here خالق الناس بخلق حسن. كيف يعامل الفتى للناس؟ الناس يعامل الفتى الناس بخلق حسن. ما هي الأمور التي تذهب ظلم الحياة؟ ما هي الأمور التي تذهب ظلم الحياة؟ Yes, خلق الحسن والتفكر في نعم الله والأماني الحلوة. Then الخلق الحسن والأماني الحلوة والتفكر في نعم الله. ما هي الأمور التي تذهب ظلم الحياة؟ الخلق الحسن والتفكر في نعم الله وأماني الحلوة. كيف يكون الفتى حزينا في حياته؟ كيف يكون الفتى حزينا في حياته؟ إذا أصاب الكسل فتى يكون حزينا. إذا أصاب الكسل فتى حزينا في حياته. حتى يكون حزينا في حياته. Here I read and some question and answers. Please write in your notebook and send to me. Next exercise, nunshidul baita. Nunshidul baita fil murabbi wa naktubu suturan tuwafiqu fil ma'na fil manlumi. tuwafiqu ma'na fil manlumi. Nalqal hayata bil amali wa bil yaqini wal amali. Nalqal hayata bil amali wa bil yaqini wal amali. This line same to meaning in this poem. Please you find out that line and write in your notebook. Nunshidul manluma wa naktashifu minhul mutaradifati lil alfali taliya wa naktubu. Nunshidu al manluma. We can recite the poem wa naktashibu minhul mutaradifat. We can find out the words, the mutaradifat. Mutaradifat ma'nahu synonyms. Lil alfali taliya, the following words. Wa naktubu, and we can write. Some words here I will read. Shabun. Shabun ma'nahu youth. Shabun ma'nahu youth. The same word meaning in this poem you using the word fata. Shabun fata. Shabun fata. Listen. Shabun. Shabun ma'nahu youth. Shabun. Shabun ma'nahu youth. In this poem use the word fata. Fata. Shabun fata, youth. Then next word is alam. Alam. Alamun. Alam means dunya or world or universe. Alam. Alamun. Alamun, universe. The word, same word meaning in this poem. What is the word? Yes. Alam ma'nahu kaunun. Kaun. Taral kauna jamila. Taral kauna jamila. Then you can see the universe as beautiful. Kaun, alam. Kaun. Alam, kaun. World or universe. Shabun, fata, alam, kaun. Then ra'ian. Ra'ian. Ra'ian ma'nahu beautiful. Ra'ian ma'nahu beautiful. In this poem's heading is kun jamilan ya fata. Be beautiful. Kun jamilan, be beautiful. Then ra'ian ma'nahu ra'ian beautiful. Ra'ian. Beautiful. Ra'ian. Ra'ian, beautiful. The word using in this poem, the word jameel. Jamilun. Jamilun ma'nahu ra'ian. Then shubbakun. Shubbakun ma'nahu windows. Shubbakun ma'nahu windows. Then using this poem, la tughliqin nafida. La tughliqin nafida. Don't be close the windows. La tughliqin nafida. Don't be close the windows. Shubbakun. Shubbakun. Shubbakun ma'nahu windows. Shubbakun ma'nahu windows. Then use the word in this poem an-nafida. Nafidatun. Nafidatun ma'nahu windows. Nafidatun ma'nahu windows. Nafidatun shubbakun. Shubbakun ma'nahu nafidatun. Please study well these words, synonyms, al-mutaradifat. Next word, nurun. Nurun. Nurun ma'nahu means, nurun means light. Nurun means light. In this word, in this poem, Taftahul babal liya, then you can open the doors of light. Taftahu babal liya, then you can open the door of light. Nurun means light. This poem, Taftahul bab. Taftahu, you can open. Al bab, door. Al liya, liya, light. Then Nurun manahu liya, liyaun, light. Shabun, fata, alam, kaun, ra'iyan, jamilan. Shubbakun, nafidatun, nurun, liyaun. Then Ishatun. Ishatun manahu Ishatun, life. Ishatun, Asha, Yaishu, Ishatun. Ishatun manahu life. Ishatun, life. Ishatun, life. Then Ishatun, life, in this poem, Al-Hayat, Hayat. Use the word in this poem. Meaning, manahu, life is Hayat. Hayat manahu Ishatun. Barakat, Barakat. Then Barakat, Barakat. Barakatun jamahu barakatun manahu blessings. Blessing, God's blessings. Niam, Niamullah. Barakat, Barakatullah, Niamullah. Barakatun manahu niam. Barakatun. Barakatun jamuhu barakatun. Barakatun manahu. Barakatun manahu niam. Niamat. Niam. Barakatun niamatun. Or barakatun niamatun. Barakatun niam. Blessings. God's blessing. Tamanniyat. Tamanniyat. Amani, hope. Tamanniyat. Amaniyil huluwa. Tamanniyat. Tamanniyat. Amaniya. Amaniya manahu good hope. Amaniya. Tamanniyat, amaniya. Munira. Munira. Nurun, nurun manahu liyaun. Nurun, liyaun. Muniratun, muliatun. Muniratun, muliatun. Munira, light. Mulia, Muniratun, Muliatun. Then Rahaba. Rahaba, marhaban. Rahaba. Rahaba manahu marhab, welcomes. Rahaba, marhab, welcomes. Istaqbala. The word using in this poem, istaqbala. Istaqbala Rabi', welcomes the spring. Istaqbala. Istaqbala. Istaqbala, welcomes. Hayya istaqbala Rabi', welcomes the spring. These words are the mutaradifat. This words is mutaradifat. Okay. Then you can read, you can study well the words and mutaradifat. The synonyms. هل تفهم هذه الدرس هذا المنظوم؟ Yes, you can recite this poem, the different tunes. Okay, ready? And you can write the Tarjumat al-Hayat Ashair Ibn Ujair. Then some new words and mutaradif, synonyms we are studying in this class. Studied in this class. So, you can study well these words and the poems. In last class, we can learn adad ma'dud. We can learn adad ma'dud. In last class, we can learn the adad ma'dud. That is a grammar in Arabic. Are you understand? Did you understand? Yes. Then I repeat that grammar. Listen here. Listen. In last class we learned the adad ma'dud. Adad ma'dud. Adad ma'dud. Adad ma'dud. Daris Amir darisun fil madrasa. Darisun Amir darisun fil madrasa. Umruhu khamsata ashara aman. Umruhu khamsata ashara aman. Amir umruhu khamsata ashara aman. Listen, aman. Umruhu khamsata ashara aman. Here the word aman, instead of aman, I put sana. The word sana. Then some changes here in this sentence. Adad ma'dud. Umruhu. Listen. Umruhu khamsa ashrata sana. Khamsa ashrata sana. What is the difference between aman wa sana? Aman ma'nahu year, sana ma'nahu year. This same meaning. But this word is mudhakkar. Amun is mudhakkar. Sana word is muannas. So, in adad, sana, it is a muannas word. So, here the muannas word of adad. Muannas word of adad. Sanatun, ashratun. Here the mudhakkar word amun. So, the mudhakkar word is ashara. Adad is mudhakkar. Ma'dud is mudhakkar. Khamsata ashara aman. Khamsa asharata sana. Khamsa ashrata sana. Clear? Umruhu samaniyata ashara aman. Umruhu. Then next example, listen. Umruhu samaniyata ashara aman. Samaniyata ashara aman. This word is muannas. This word is mudhakkar. Sorry, aman word is mudhakkar. Umruhu samaniyata ashara aman. Amun word is mudhakkar. Adad ma'dud. Here listen. Ashara aman. Ashara aman. Ashara mudhakkar. Amun mudhakkar. Then umruhu സമാനിയ, സമാനി, സമാനി അശ്റത്ത, സന, സന. Sana word is muannas. Sanat muannas. So asharata. Here listen. Asharata. Umruhu samanya asharata sana. Umruhu samaniyata ashara aman. Hal fahimtum? Yes. You must listen. Umruhu sab'ata ashara aman. Some examples, I will read some examples. Then you write put the word sana instead of aman. Umruhu sab'ata ashara aman. Sab'ata ashara aman. Umruhu sab'ata ashara aman. Aman ma'nahu year. Same word meaning is sana. Sanat. Sanat ma'nahu year. Umruhu sab'a asharata sana. Umruhu sab'a asharata sana. Okay. I think all of you understand this grammar and the poem. Today we can study the poem Kun Jamilan Ya Fata. Kun Jamilan Ya Fata. Be handsome or be beautiful, O a youth. O youth. Ya Fata Kun Jamilan wa Kariman. O youth, Kun Jamilan wa Kariman. يقول الشاعر in this في المنظوم في كن جميلا يا فتى. ابن عجير الشاعر ابن عجير يقول للفتى يا فتى كن جميلا وكريما. And then you can meet the universe as beautiful. You can meet the universe as beautiful. Limal huznu wal asa. We can read this poem one more. Limal huznu wal asa. Limal hammu ya fata. Hammun pain. Huzn sorrow. Limal huznu wal asa. Limal hammu ya fata. La tulikin nafida wa ta'tazilul jami'. Hayyastanshikil hawa ayastaqbal al rabi'. كن جميلا يا فتى ترى الكون جميلا. تفاءل هيا ابتسم والحياة مليئة بالجمال والنعم والأماني المضيئة. تزيع عنا الألم والأتمة والظلم. تفتح الباب الضياء فتفرح نعم نعم. كن جميلا يا فتى ترى الكون جميلا. الشاعر ابن عجير. Hal fahimtum? I think you can understand. You understand this poem and some exercise. I read some question and answers. You can write in your notebook. And the mutaradifat. Uktub al mutaradifat. Uktub al mutaradifat. Write the synonyms. Shabun alamun ra'iyan shubbakun nurun aishatun barakatun tamanniyatun munira rahaba. These words mutaradifat iktashif minal manloom. Okay, write in your notebook and send to me. I think you can understand. You understand this poem. Today I wind up today's class. Inshallah, see you on next class. Assalamu alaikum.